Hi guys, I put the new Fitbit Charge 3 Advanced Fitness Tracker. As you can see, it's a black color tracker and you get two straps, small and large. This is how the back looks. As you can see, it's got all the details of what the tracker does, pictures illustrating different activities you can do, such as swimming. Now it's water resistance up to 50 meters. It's got app notifications and it's durable and lightweight. So let's open this up and see what's inside. So this is an unboxing video. So let's open it from here. Pull this out like so. And look, this is the new Fitbit. So what comes inside the box? Let's take this out. Okay, so you've got a larger size strap, like so. You've got the charging wire, just the charging cable, same as the previous one, but it looks a bit more premium and better. Yeah. And you get the safety instruction, limited warranty book, and also there's another thing here which tells you to download the app to start your device. So let's see the Fitbit. This is the new Fitbit. As you can see, it's got a nice feature, looks like diamondish texture, and the strap just feels more durable and stronger. So this is the Fitbit Charge 3. So let's remove this cover, and this is how it looks. Let's remove this and see how it fits. This is how it is. If it goes in the hand, it will be like that. Okay. So this is a quick video just to show you what comes inside the box. Thank you for watching. My next video will be about a screen protector.